The Bugatti Mistral is not just another hypercar, it is the final swan song of the legendary W16 quad-turbo engine, a car that represents the culmination of 2 decades of Bugatti engineering mastery, luxury refinement, and breathtaking performance, designed as a roadster that takes the open-top driving experience to an entirely new dimension. Because Mistral is not about compromise, it is about celebrating the ultimate expression of speed and art combined, and when Bugatti revealed it to the world in 2022, it instantly became one of the most iconic cars ever created, as the design draws inspiration from Bugatti's past legends like the Type 57 Roadster Grand Raid while also incorporating the latest in aerodynamics and futuristic styling cues, making it a perfect bridge between heritage and innovation. And looking at its exterior, you can see how Bugatti wanted to craft a sculpture of speed, with sharp flowing lines, wide aggressive stance, and signature elements like the horseshoe grille, X-shaped taillights inspired by the bolide, and a completely redefined roofless silhouette that lets the driver and passenger feel every roar of the W16, while the bodywork is designed from lightweight carbon fiber to maximize rigidity and reduce weight, ensuring that even as a roadster it retains hypercar levels of stability and performance. And beneath that beautiful shell sits the heart of the beast, the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing an astonishing 1,578 horsepower, the same powerhouse from the record-breaking Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, and with that kind of output, the Mistral is expected to exceed speeds of 420 km per hour, 260 miles per hour, making it the fastest open-top production car in the world. Because Bugatti didn't just want to build a convertible, they wanted to build the ultimate roadster that sets benchmarks nobody else dares to chase. And stepping inside the cabin, you are greeted with a perfect blend of luxury and performance, as the interior uses the finest materials like titanium, carbon fiber, leather, and aluminum, crafted with hand-built precision, and every control, every switch, is engineered for both function and beauty, the gear shifter itself being a piece of art, milled from solid aluminum with a wood insert and an amber sculpture inside containing a small, dancing elephant figure, which is a tribute to Rembrandt Bugatti, the brother of founder Ettore Bugatti, adding a layer of artistic heritage to the driving experience, while the digital displays, ergonomic seating, and advanced driver interface make sure that the driver feels connected to the machine at all times. And because this is Bugatti, comfort and exclusivity are as important as speed, with every car tailored to the customer's personal taste, ensuring that no two Mistrals are exactly alike. And from a performance standpoint, the Mistral is more than capable of competing with the fastest cars on Earth, with acceleration figures expected to match or even surpass the Chiron, meaning 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2.5 seconds, 0 to 200 km per hour in around 5.5 seconds, and blistering quarter-mile times that rival dedicated drag cars, all while offering open-air driving thrills, something that most hypercars simply cannot deliver at this level. And aerodynamics play a crucial role here, because when you remove the roof, maintaining downforce, stability, and cooling is an extreme challenge, but Bugatti engineered the Mistral with precision air channels, optimized diffusers, and a redesigned air intake system that sits behind the headrests, inspired by the Veyron Grand Sport, which not only feeds the massive W16 but also enhances structural safety in case of rollover, making it both functional and beautiful. And another standout element is the lighting design, with new headlights shaped like 4 vertical blades that not only look futuristic but also guide airflow into the intakes, while the taillights form an X motif, representing the crossroads of Bugatti's past and future, echoing the design language of the bolide. And speaking of exclusivity, Bugatti is only producing 99 units of the Mistral, each priced at around €5 million, and despite that astronomical figure, all units were sold out almost immediately after its unveiling, proving that for the world's elite collectors, the chance to own the final W16 Roadster is priceless, because this is more than a car, it is history on wheels, a farewell masterpiece to the internal combustion era before Bugatti transitions into hybrid and electric hypercars under its partnership with Rimac. And when you consider Bugatti's legacy, from the Veyron which shocked the world in 2005 by breaking the 400 km per hour barrier, to the Chiron that redefined what modern hypercars could be, the Mistral stands as a symbolic full circle, a final chapter that pays respect to the greatest engine ever put in a road car. And looking at its name, Mistral, it comes from a powerful wind that blows through the south of France, symbolizing freedom, speed, and raw natural force, perfectly aligning with the car's character, as it allows drivers to experience the unfiltered rush of air and speed in a way no Bugatti has offered before. And beyond the specs, the Mistral is a collector's dream, a future classic that will likely appreciate in value, because it is not only rare but also marks the end of an era, making it a car that will forever hold its place in automotive history. And if you imagine driving this machine, roof down, W16 screaming behind you, 4 turbos whistling, and the horizon rushing toward you at over 400 kilometers per hour. There are few experiences in the world that could compare, because this is not transportation, it is an event, an orchestra of engineering, design, heritage, and sheer power, and Bugatti has once again proven that when they build a car, it is never just about numbers, it is about emotion, presence, and the pursuit of perfection, and with the Mistral, they have written the final love letter to the W16, one that will be remembered for decades as a symbol of what happens when human ambition pushes the boundaries of possibility, and while the automotive world shifts to electrification, the Mistral will stand as a monument to raw mechanical artistry, a reminder that before silence, there was thunder, and Bugatti delivered it in the most beautiful form possible. So whether you see it as a hypercar, a luxury statement, a collector's piece, or a farewell to an icon, the Bugatti Mistral is undeniably one of the most extraordinary